we have our seasoned chicken, our seasoned flour, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. What we're going to do is just lightly dust these with the flour. We don't want a big old coating on it or anything, so just go ahead and you can see how that just adheres to it as you go through. Some little trouble spots, you can just go ahead and little areas there and just go ahead and pat it down. Then you can just go ahead and shake it off just like that. On the other side, if you get some areas that are open, just go ahead and put that right in. You're going to do this with every piece. Then we're going to put this onto a baking sheet just to rest right now. Start another one. If you want, you can already start this side while the other side is in the flour. That's a good time-saving technique too. So now you've got this side just about done. Shake that off, and your other side is just about done too. Just add where needed.